Hello everyone, welcome to Flowealth Academy. Today we are going to learn about TealHQ. It is an AI that can help us build our resume, match our resume with jobs. So without wasting time, let's go to Google or Chrome, whichever you'll be using. So for me, I'll be using Chrome, and then you'll search TealHQ, and then you'll click TealHQ. It will be displayed there. And then you click Teal AI powered tool to grow your career or AI resume builder. So after clicking it, you'll see this landing page. There'll be resume builder, resume, job application tracker, tools. These are the tools that you'll find. There'll be resources, there'll be career hub, tech job, cover letter template, resume hub, and so on and so forth. So for us, we are going to go to login because I already have an account. So if you don't have an account, you can just sign up, and it's best you log in with Google because it will be easy. So for me, I'll just click login, and then login, it will automatically detect because I already have an account. So after logging in or creating your account, what you will see will be the dashboard. So in the dashboard section, what you'll see will be homepage, resume builder, trackers, job search. You can search jobs here, extensions, and all tools, the tools that are available. So you can resume builder, job search. These are the tools that you'll find in this AI. So you go back home. So today we are going to create a resume. So you'll just click resume builder. So you're going to create a new resume. So, or if you have a resume, you can upload it. So for us, we are going to create a new resume. So you'll click new resume. So in this section, what will you find will be content editor, designer, analyzer, job matcher, cover letter. So in this section, you can key in your information, or if you want to use a particular type of template, so you'll be given in the designer section, you'll have templates that you can use. So you can browse template library. There are so many templates you can use. So for us, let's go with this one. And then so you just go back and you edit. After choosing, you go back to content editor. So contact information, my names are David, pronouns, you can write your email, your phone number. So let's say I'll write that one. Your LinkedIn, Twitter, those are links or usernames, you can write them. Address, the city, state, let's say Kenya, or if you are in the US, you can write the United States. Website, if you have any, and then you can click save to all resumes if you will be just using the same information in creating all your resumes, or and then you can click save. After clicking save, it will save the information. Then you'll have target title. So in this section, who are you targeting? So e.g. you can use marketing manager, and then you save. And then there'll be professional summary. You can summarize what you have achieved in your career. So meaning you can summarize your job, what you've done. Yeah. And then save, you save. Or you can write it with the AI. You can generate with the AI if you don't know. So go back, there'll be work experience. You'll add your experiences where you've worked. Let's say Flowealth Academy, company name, company description. You can describe the company you are working for, position you worked as. So let's say course creator. Then position description, you describe what a course creator do, or if you are a computer science person, you describe what a computer science person do. And then location, where you located, let's see, you can write where you are, type, position, internship, full-time, what are you doing, are you an intern, are you working part-time, full-time, you are abroad, or you are on a contract. You can just choose, so you can choose internship. And start date, the date you started, you can say October 10th, end date, let's say November. Yeah, it will be the same. So if you are currently in this position, you'll click this box here, and then that page will not be there. And if you are not in this position, you are done, you don't have to do that. So you'll just leave it and then write the date you finished. So for me, let's say I'm currently in this position, then you saving. After doing that, you'll come to education, you'll write school of institution, let's say multimedia university, location, let's say London, GPA, let's say 3.0, degree, let's say business IT, field of study, what are you studying, let's say accounting, start date and end date, the date you started and the date you are going to end it. Additional information, you can add any additional information if you have any, and then you click save. And then you'll come to skills and interests. You'll also write your skills. You can add a category, add skills and interests, certifications, if you have been awarded any certificates. So you can just use any certificate if you have. So for me, I can, let's say I have a certificate, let's say in graphics design, so let's say graphics design. Provider, let's say Ajira Digital Kenya, it is a company in Kenya, Ajira Digital Kenya. Start date, the date I started or the date you started, let's say April, and end date you did it for, let's say 3 months, let's say June, then you save. So after filling all this, you go, if you ever volunteered, publications, awards, you received awards. You'll analyze your resume structures. It will show you have measurable results. It will just help you know where you have problems or errors. And then job matcher, you can, in this section, compare job description to your resume. So let's say accountant, and then search. So in the best thing about this AI, you'll be able to see or find jobs with it. So let's say this, then you match a job, yeah, just like that. And after doing that, you can also do a cover letter, or you can write with AI. So after doing that, you can export PDF. So you use resume, and you will see it here. So after that, you can just export or download. So after clicking that, meaning you'll be downloading your resume. So for me, mine will be, I'm already done. It's displayed here. So yours, you can feel it's a bit short because I'm not kidding all the information, but for you, you can do it. Yeah, thank you for listening.